Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. This channel is about how you can do a faceless affiliate marketing. You can see at the bottom there is a faceless affiliate marketing guide. If you are new to the channel, I recommend you to start from this guide and see how the video from part 1, 2, 3, etc. And of course you can subscribe. Today we will continue with our 2 tiers affiliate program series that you see at the bottom, and I will show you another 2 tiers affiliate programs that I am promoting and recommending. This is the affiliate program of A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting have a lot of hosting packages, and there are a lot of other services like WordPress hosting. In this video I will focus about the affiliate program of A2 Hosting. We can see that A2 Hosting paid very high commission for every new user. And what I like best is the second tier commission. In the second tier, there is a $5 commission for every new user that your referral will bring. If we look about more details about A2 Hosting affiliate program, we see that there are more points that I like. There is a long 3 months cookie life. They also have a deep linking. And also you can see that the more you sell, your commission is getting higher. Overall, I think that A2 Hosting affiliate program with the 2-tier commission structure is a great opportunity for us. Of course, I will add the link in the description. It's my affiliate link, but if you want, you can use it. If you are looking how to make money with A2 Hosting affiliate program, I recommend you to start by watching the core affiliate marketing guide that we have at the channel, and it can give you some ideas how to promote this product. That's all for today's short video. In the next video, I will show you another 2-tier affiliate program that I am promoting and recommend it. That's all. Thanks.